Okay, this is a short video describing your weekly lawn care setup. I'm going to run through an example of weekly lawn care items, how to set them up, and then how to set another service agreement to run for a second truck or second crew. Let's start with the setup we already have in the system. I'm going to go into settings, job templates, and we're going to take a look at this lawn care or lawn mow weekly template for truck one. What I created is obviously kind of informative name for this job template, and selected the job type to be a maintenance, and I assigned this job template to truck one, and that's why I want to use the descriptive name as well. And the way we associate properties to this template is through asset setup. In each property, you're going to notice that it is assigned to a truck and a schedule, as well as a yes or no answer for if this account is active or not. And by me choosing if this account is active or not, it gets automated on that schedule, assigned to truck one, and for truck one's Monday schedule. When we look at service agreements, service agreement is the automated process of running these weekly lawn care maintenance items for all the trucks and for all the properties we set to the system. Let's take a look at some of the details here. This contract runs for the entire week, Monday through Friday, to truck one, and makes sure that all the accounts we run are active. For each recurring item, each recurring schedule, we have a separate setting in here. This setting runs for all the accounts set for Monday, for truck one, and making sure that they're active. The second one runs for Tuesday, same rules, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I can preview and make sure that this service agreement is correct for all the settings I have set up in here just by hitting that preview at the bottom and kind of reviewing, making sure everything runs. So we can see that currently we have 6 different properties set to run for Monday 18th. So that's how the setup is currently set for truck one. Now for us to add a new one, I either go into settings to add Tuesday schedule, Wednesday schedule, Thursdays and Friday schedule under truck one, and the system automates that for us. So that's my first task. The second step is to add a similar setup for truck two, and let me show you how that happens. Let's go to front page. We'll start it from settings. We'll go to job templates. I'm going to take this truck one and select it. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to open the copy and rename it for truck two. Then here at the bottom, the job type stays the same, but I'm going to associate this template to truck two. Now we got 2 templates in here, one for each truck. Then I'm going to go under service agreements. I'm going to take the first template we have for truck one. I'm going to copy it, same way we did the job template. And when it copies, I'm going to open it, rename it to truck two, and I'm going to select the truck two template we just created. Make sure we're assigning all these items to truck two for all the settings. Very important, I don't miss a step for all the 5 settings we have here. These are the 2 items I have to change, everything else stays the same. And last for Friday, and I save it. Now my setup is ready to key in the properties that go under truck 2. So basically all I have to do is keep adding these properties, make sure that they are active, associated to truck 2, and whatever the schedule for that particular property is, and the system will automate it for us. That's it. Let's run it once more. So under settings, I add a job template. I copy the job template, rename it, associate it to another truck, let's say truck 3. I go under service agreements. I take truck number 2, copy it under actions, and associate that job template I just created previously and change the settings to run for truck 3. And that's it. Then I go under assets and start keying in new properties. There we go. Thank you.